In this video, I'll show you how to create a template and add pre-fill fields in DocuSign using a clean and practical workflow. After logging in, head to the Templates section and choose to create a new one, where you can upload your document and define its structure. The key step here is adding pre-fill fields, which allow certain information like names, dates, or company details to be filled in advance before sending. This can save time, but you should carefully decide which fields are fixed and which should remain editable for recipients. You can also assign roles and control who can view or edit specific fields, which adds an extra layer of organization. DocuSign makes this process fairly intuitive with drag and drop tools, though accuracy is important because incorrect pre-filled data can lead to confusion or compliance issues. Overall, it's a useful feature for maintaining consistency across documents when used thoughtfully. Subscribe for more straightforward tech tutorials and honest insights that actually help you work smarter.